Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you some quick looks that I had made using the Colourpop palette She's Got Solstice. As you could see from a previous video that I had got this, and they had really pretty simple, easy look colors that I figured you can make some wonderful, easy looks with it. I'm a busy mom. I'm sure there are other busy moms or other busy people too. And I figured I'd share with you some looks that I have. So if there's nothing else for me to say, then let's get started. For the first look, I used Nova, and I used a fluffy brush, and I put that all over my eyelid as a base, and I just put it over both eyes. And then I used Earth Angel, and I just put that on the lid, just the lid itself, not everywhere else. And then both eyes. As you can see, really easy. It's already two colors, really simple. And then what I use is So Serious. Now, I will use it sometimes just on the lower lid, but for this demonstration, just of course, I'm going to show you some other places that I've been putting, that you can put it to. Now, you don't have to follow exactly, but these are just hopefully some ideas I could give you, and you can go off on your own. So I put it right in the middle of my eyelid, and I'm going to show you two ways that I've been doing it too. So the brush, I'm going to show you on one side, on one of my eyes, and then I grabbed some on my finger and very gently put it on the other. You can definitely tell the intensity, and that can determine how much you want that glitter to show. That shimmery, see, you can see it's different in one eye. Generally for me, I will just put it underneath the eye myself, but for this just demonstration, I'm going to put it on top there, and I'm just going to even it out with my finger by putting it on both, so then you can see the intensity. And then I'm going to curl my lashes and put mascara on. And like I said, for someone who's busy, you just don't have a lot of time, I'm not going to put liner. For the second look, I'm going to be using Earth Angel again, and I'm actually going to this time put it all over my eyes, so the eyelid and the crease. And then I'm going to use Quasar. I'm going to blend that in. Sorry, not all over the eyelid, just over the eyelid. And Quasar is going to be on the crease. And I'm just going to do that and see. And it's just really simple. Like I said, two colors, really fast, really easy. Now, since I've already put on mascara, I'm not going to put it on again. You can put eyeliner if you got a little extra time and you want to do that. Now for the third look, I'm going to put Chromosphere on the crease and also on the corner of my eye. This one's going to be a little more fancier, I guess you could say. I'm also putting it on my eyelid, and I'm just going to sweep it out just a little bit. Also packing on the lid just to make sure it gets really nice and even there. Because then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Estrella. It's a really glittery one, and I'm going to put that just in the center of the eyelid. And I'm just using a brush for this instance. And then I'm going to take Big Bang. It's a really light pink, and I'm putting that in the inner corner of my eye. Not really inner corner, more like the inner part of my eyelid. And there you go. It's just like I said, very simple, very quick, very easy. And now I'm just going to show you the swatches really quick of the colors. We have on the bottom So Serious, Big Bang, Quasar, Nova, Estrella, Super Stardust, Mars, Earth Angel, and Chromosphere. Now, like I said, this is just a quick video, some quick looks. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you've been notified of when I upload new videos. I had a really good time making these eye looks. I think they're really wonderful. They're great. They're everyday use, but you can also jazz it up a little bit, make it a little more pretty. Make sure that you follow me on social, and I hope you have a great day, great week. Please stay safe. Take care, and I hope I get to see you soon. Thanks. Bye.